Okay, so we finally got this bag and I'm going to open it now. I've been resisting opening it because of stupid reasons. Stupid head. Okay. So this is from Net-a-Porter. No one's ready for this. Water stuff. I'm so cute. I wrote a gift message to myself. You deserve this. Yes I do. And I think I've been feeling up and down about whether I deserve this. So that's nice. Aw, I'm so cute to myself. Okay, so I've never seen this in person, and I'm praying I won't be disappointed. Tissue paper. Net-a-Porter. So this is a bag, and the bag is definitely not as big as the box. Oh no, not playing very well. Okay. Aww. Never ordered anything from here. So it's a nice ribbon. Does the ribbon do anything? Okay. So many layers. It's like pass the parcel. Okay. So this was unexpected. Wow, it's a nice texture. It's in here. And then, so it's just padding here. But yeah, this is a nice little water box. Cool. There, you can put it as part of the video. Oh, wow, okay. Jimmy Choo, London. Okay. I'm not ready. Okay. No one's ready. Oh, that's a nice bag. Padding to keep it safe. Dang. Ugh. Okay, I'm getting nervous. There's the dust bag. Jimmy Choo. Oh my god. It's, I don't know why, it's slightly bigger than I thought. Size on the tag, NA. Okay. Ready? Oh god, I can see it. Look. Oh my god. Okay. Feel free to react. Padding, which is very appropriate. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like this. So I've seen this bag in the shop, but like not crystallized and obviously not in this colorway. Whoa. This is a Net-a-Porter tag. Okay, so silver hardware, and this has the end of the chain, which I'm kind of not ready to undo. It's taped together. Oh man, I don't want to go any further. Okay, give me a moment to admire the colors. So I love color, right? So it's it's crystal on satin, silver hardware. Okay, I don't want to open it any further. So okay, crystal at the bottom. So this is like a lime yellow, orange, different kind of orange, and then the crystals are purple, but the satin underneath changes color too. So it goes from like green, like kind of like a dark orange, and then like a magenta. And it's crystal everywhere, and the lining is pink satin. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's like so wow already. And like so just with the colors and the crystals, I gotta say I'm not disappointed. So I've seen photos and videos, but you know, it's never gonna be like the same in real life. But I'm like, this is pretty damn close. Okay. Oh man, I want to. Okay. No, got it. Oh no, I need scissors. Okay. Let's at least open the handle. Ah, damn it! Let's just open it all. Don't have scissors. This is risky. No. Okay. Open the handle. So the handle. Actually, I'm not sure what color the handle crystals are. Okay. Look, it's happening! It's happening! Oh, wow. So the handle crystal is actually like yellow, like a golden yellow, and this is actually like lime yellow. Wow, look at that. So if I ever have the bag down with the strap only, it could look like this. So there's 2 rows of crystal. I didn't expect the shape to be like this. I thought it was round crystals. Like, I can't explain how I feel right now. Okay. There's the long chain. I should take the paper off. Okay, I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. So weird. I don't know if I can. This is sticky taped. Why? I can do it. Okay. So risky. Yeah. Hot trying to do this. Okay. So the silver tassel-like thingy, but there's sticky tape which I can't get off yet. There. No, I gotta take it all off. It's taking it away from its whole vibe. Yes! It's free! Okay. Okay, there's what the bag looks like from the front. So then you push this to release the chain that is pulling these eyelets together, and then you can open it. Oh man, I'm actually quite present, which I'm glad. Okay, so there's my paper, and then there's a Jimmy Choo certificate of authenticity. So this is the bonbon Amber, orange, red berry, no, berry red and lime bag. Oh, okay, I didn't see that coming. Okay. So here is a peek in the inside. So it's like this baby pink, almost Barbie pink lining. There's something, a tag in here. Looks like an authenticity ribbon. No, made in Italy. Okay. So this is the chain to wear it on my shoulder. I might as well model it. There we go. Oh my gosh. This is so me. I've got a mirror over there. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Let me cross back. It's a tad. I think it's okay. Not too short. And then, this is how it looks with the black tag still on it. And the handle there. It's not bad. Wow. And then, see what it looks like. Oh man. Okay, so these two things are weighted. So when I push it, it actually drops through the thing. This is bigger than I thought it would be. Like just a bit. And then I need to test it with my phone to see if it fits, but I'm pretty sure it will on a diagonal. So I might see like the very top. My concern, actually I appreciate that it's crystal here, so it's not satin touching like the table or something, but I need to be careful with the satin inside. I might put a pouch or a liner, but yeah, it's not as small as I thought. The only thing I need to be careful with is, because it's a satin bag, so it feels more structured than I thought it would have. It has more structure than I thought it would have. Oh my gosh, it's so fun! And I like how it's obviously the shine factor is going to be ridiculous, especially at night, right? But it's OTT, but it's also relaxed in its shape, so I don't think I'm going to mind using this. Oh, it's so cute! It's the bun bun. Wow. Good work on your shopping, Maya. Okay,